Hello guys, this is a time of trigonometry, finding the measure of an angle. We have studied that if y equals sine theta, then it's possible to find the value of y if the value of theta is known. That's to say, if theta equals 30 degrees, then y equals sine 30 degrees equals half. There is an inverse form is used to find the value of theta if the value of y is known, which is theta equals sine minus 1 y. That's to say, if y equals half, then theta equals sine minus 1 of half equals 30 degrees. Example, find the measure of the positive acute angle theta which satisfies each of the following. Number 1, sine theta equals 0.6438. Number 2, cosine theta equals 0.4517. Number 1, using the keys of the calculator in the following succession from the left. You press shift, then you press sine minus 1, 0.6438 equals O, comma, comma, comma. Then the number 40 degrees, 40 minutes, 32.75 seconds will appear on the display. Therefore, theta equals 40 degrees, 4 minutes, 33 seconds. Using the keys of the calculator in the following succession from the left. Shift, then cosine minus 1, 0.4517 equals O, comma, comma, comma. Then the number 63 degrees, 8 minutes, 49.9 seconds will appear on the display. Therefore, theta equals 63 degrees, 8 minutes, 50 seconds. Note that we use the calculator for the value of the trigonometric function is neither for a special angle nor a negative angle for a special angle. Remark, the function theta equals sine minus 1 of x and theta equals cosine minus 1 of x and theta equals tan minus 1 of x are known as inverse functions of the basic trigonometric functions. These functions given a unique value of the variable theta for each value of the variable x and determine theta in a certain range according to the properties of each function. So, for example, sine minus 1 of negative half equals negative 30. That's to say, unique value belongs to negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Negative pi over 2, which is negative 90, and pi over 2, which is 90 degrees. Cosine minus 1 of half equals 60 degrees. That's to say, unique value belongs to 0 and pi. And for sure pi here will be 180 degrees. Example, if theta between 0 degrees and 360 degrees, find theta which satisfies each of the following. Number 1, cosine theta equals 0.8177. Number 2, cotan theta equals negative 8.6421. Number 1, since cosine theta equals 0.8177, which is bigger than 0, which is positive, so theta lies in the first and fourth quadrants. We find the acute angle whose cosine is 0.8177 by writing cosine minus 1 0.8177 using the keys of the calculator in the following succession from left. You press shift, then cosine minus 1, 0.8177 equals O, comma, comma, comma. Then cosine minus 1 of 0.8177 equals 35 degrees, 8 minutes, 41 seconds. In the first quadrant, theta will be 35 degrees, 8 minutes, 41 seconds. And in the fourth quad, theta equals 360 minus 35 degrees, 8 minutes, 41 seconds, which is 324 degrees, 51 minutes, and 19 seconds. Number 2, since cosine theta equals negative 8.6421 less than 0, which is negative, so theta lies in the second and fourth quads. We find the acute angle whose value is absolute negative 8.6421 by writing cotan minus 1 8.6421 using the keys of the calculator in the following succession from left. You press shift, then you press tan minus 1 8.6421, then you press x power negative 1 equals O, comma, comma, comma. So cotan minus 1 of 8.6421 equals 6 degrees, 36 minutes, and 2 seconds. Therefore, the second quadrant, theta equals 180 minus the angle, which is 173 degrees, 23 minutes, and 58 seconds. In the fourth quad, theta equals 360 minus the same angle, which is 353 degrees, 23 minutes, and 58 seconds. Another example, if the terminal side of the positive directed angle of the measure theta in its standard position intersects the unit circle at the point P equals negative 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. Find theta where 0 degrees less than theta is less than 360 degrees. As you see in the figure, this is point B on the XY coordinate plane, negative 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. Since the point P, negative 3 over 5, 4 over 5 lies in the second quad because the first projection is negative and the second is positive. Therefore, the directed angle of the measure theta lies in the second quadrant. Therefore, sine theta equals y equals 4 over 5, and theta will be sine minus 1 of 4 over 5. Then you use the calculator, you use the keys of the calculator in the following succession from left to right to find sine minus 1 of 4 over 5 as follows. Therefore, sine minus 1 of 4 over 5 equals 53 degrees, 7 minutes, and 48 seconds. So theta equals 180 minus the same angle equals 126 degrees, 52 minutes, and 12 seconds. Example, if sine theta equals 8 over 17, where theta between 90 and 180, find theta to the nearest second, then find the other trigonometric functions of the angle of the measure theta. As you see in the shape, you have here the angle theta lies in the second quadrant. Then you draw a triangle like this. This side is 8 and that side is absolute negative 15, and the hypotenuse for sure will be 17. So theta is sine minus 1 of 8 over 17, which is 28 degrees, 4 minutes, and 21 seconds. Since theta lies in the second quad between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, so theta lies in the second quad, and theta will be 180 minus 28 degrees, 4 minutes, 21 seconds equals 151 degrees 55 minutes and 39 seconds. Since sine theta equals 8 over 17, let Mn equals 8 length units and On 17 unit length. Then using Pythagoras theorem, OM equals 15 unit length with negative sign. And cosine theta will be OM over ON, which is negative 15 over 17. Tan theta will be 8 over negative 15. Cosec theta equals 17 over 8, which is the reciprocal of sine. And sec theta equals 17 over negative 15, which is the reciprocal of cosine. And cotan is the reciprocal of tan, which is negative 15 over 8.